What's going on? It's your boy LS Chevy Rider 254, and we're back at the junkyard. Wonder what I got. Well, you'll see in a minute. In the meantime, stop by the store, check out the merch, man. Keeping it real, keeping it OG with my 350 Caprice merch in the store. Link in the description box down below. Let's oh. And this is for all y'all be watching my videos. Don't subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Support a brother. I'm out here bringing this footage for you and you and you and you. So click that like button, click that subscribe button, and I'm gonna keep these junkyard videos coming out here in this young Texas heat. All right, now let's go.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Location. I got an alert. I see her down here on the end. What we got, y'all? Another box Chevy. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. I like this blue. That blue. Ooh, that blue wet, boy. Let me find out. They be dripping in the junkyard, my boy. Should look to be in pretty damn good condition, if I say so myself. 1981 Chevy Caprice. Got the regular clip on the back. See, this is the bumper that didn't have that trim on it, so it don't look as awkward when you don't have it there. Let's see if can we pop the. I ain't got no screwdriver. I ain't bring nothing, man. Got the alert. This blue is hitting though. It blue is hitting though. Yeah, this is a year, man, the early years, man. As you can see, dope panels, dash is pretty cracked up. It's all good though. Got your AC control unit. I'ma take that. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I'm taking, but I already told you I'm taking that. So you got the clock, got the key in the ignition. The steering wheel ain't too bad. Got a cover on that bad boy. So there is. I'm gonna have to come back with the hitters for this one. If you're looking for that a nice bench seat, man, these seats are nice. It's a bench seat all the way across the front. You know what I'm saying? Headliner kind of cracked up there. I don't know who got here before I did, but they got the cover off of that, look like. Yeah, here go part of the grill. They painted it blue. It look good too. Look good, damn good. Back seats, immaculate condition. Like these seats on point, man. So if y'all need that, then you know you might want to get out here quick. You got some RCAs, they kind of jacked up though. Let's see if we can peek in the trunk. I don't really see nothing back there. It's just some speakers. Look like they might have just did the brakes on this bitch. Look like they got a little power wire. That's an itty bitty ass power wire too. Yeah, man, the seats The seats is on dick. Looking good, man. This blue, bro. This blue, I like this blue damn near better than I like my own motherfucking blue. This blue is ooey. I'm gonna get my hands dirty trying to get that blue clean. This paint job is shout out to the painter, boy. Got that thing. Ooey. It look like some of the pieces of trim is missing. This piece of trim just on the ground. So disrespectful. Put this back in here. Put this back in here so it don't get messed off, man. I mean, I might come back and get it, but if not, then I want somebody to be able to have it, right? That's what it's all about, baby. That's what it's all about, baby. All right. So under the hood, look like they put a new alternator. They go a wiper motor, but I'm not fucking with it. Cause you know we work at O'Reilly's now. You know what I'm saying? We get that new for that. Look like a pretty new alternator there. If anybody need one, they got that V-belt set up. This fucking paint though. Paint is beautiful. Paint is beautiful. This hood. I know one person that might need this hood, bro. And that's the only person I'm gonna tell about this motherfucker before this video drop. The only person. But yeah, I'm gonna come back and get some shit out for here, man. I just wanted to bring y'all the video first. And if y'all beat me back out here, then it is what it is. After that, but yeah, man, this motherfucker beautiful, bro. Damn sure hate another one hit the yard. But some must die for the rest of us to live on. You know what I mean? I was gonna say if the bumper filler, now the bumper filler side is kind of jacked up. This one don't got the corner lights. Nothing like that. I got a set of these bezels at the house for sale. So if somebody needs some, I got some. Somebody was supposed to come cash me out, but they flaked. They flaked. So yeah, man, wiper motor out here. For sure. And what else? Like I said, this hood, I'm gonna tell my partner about this hood. He'll probably come and get it. They kind of messed up on the fender trim now. Right. Like I said, man, I so hate this one here, bro. This is a beautiful fucking car, bro. This fucking paint job on these bitches. Now y'all know I love. Everybody compliments me on my car, bro, about that blue. But this motherfucking blue here. See, I'm recording this bitch in 60 frames per second, bro. So you should see how that motherfucker hidden, bro. You see how that paint. It's that candy paint. I don't bullshit. I don't think it's candy paint, but motherfucker damn so nice. Damn so nice. Alright, man. It's your boy. Let's Chevy 254, man. Constantly bringing you another one. Let me see if I can get this fucking trunk open, man. Hold on. Alright, well, I wasn't able to get into the trunk, man. Like I said, you gotta have the right tools and shit, and I was not prepared. So, if you want to see this beauty, come on out to the yard, man. Get what you need off of it. Beautiful, man. Like I said, I hate another one bit the dust, but Some gotta die for the rest of us to live. All right, this boy, LS Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Gone. So back over here at the maroon box, she been slowly but surely getting bust down, man. Everybody coming to get what they need off of her. Seat still here. Tell you, man, y'all tempted me, man. Y'all tempted me, man. These seats still here. I wanted to look and see if I could see the alarm thing on here. I don't know. I'm kind of running short on time. I wanted to see if the alarm was in there. This hood's still on here. I mean, I don't know how bad it is. I mean, it's not the perfect hood, but it probably ain't the worst I've seen either. So, all right, y'all, that's gonna wrap this one up. I came and got the rear end off this motherfucker. Did I overlook something? Did I overlook something? It might have been a positive. Maybe somebody just need a rear end, I don't know. So, how the fuck out here, boy? All right, man. I'm gonna go ahead and self-proclaim myself as, hold on, I gotta turn around and say this. I'm gonna go ahead and self-proclaim myself as the Junkyard box Chevy King of Central Texas. You heard? So spread the word. It's your boy, LS Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make your strengths. Gone.